for your action. Now, donkey, in the story I told you, the donkey wriggled in his ear. The same way, we have to keep our hands on our head. And when we do straight hand, that means E. And when we close our hand, that means R. E, R. E, R. E, R. And for the sound, make a sound. E, R. E, R. This is the action of letter ER. Now it's time for letter ER song. See the donkey in his stall. ER, ER is his call. Friends, why are you sitting there? Come on, sing with me. See the donkey in his stall. ER, ER is his call. Now it's time for ER letter formation. Now look here. For E letter, make a sleeping line. Okay. Then do the curvy curve. Then don't lift your friends. Then make a very big curvy curve. Then make a sleeping line. Then also curvy curve. This is E letter. I will show you one more time once you can learn it. Now make a sleeping line. Then curvy curve. Then don't lift your hand. Then make one more time curvy curve and don't lift your hand. Then make a sleeping line and make a curvy curve. This is E letter. Now I will show you R letter. Now do a O letter like a circle. Then make a sleeping line and make a standing line and make a R. Okay, now I will show you again. Make a O letter. Okay, then make a sleeping line and make a standing line. Then on that same line make a little curve like this. This is R letter. Now it's time for E letter words. Free. Free means when our homework is complete. Right? Then Mama calls and say, now you're free. Free is coming. Speech means it is yellow day. Pretend the word is yellow day. Okay. Then I will say here are the ducklings, here are the ducks. This is the meaning of speech. Straight means I will show. Pretend the first is straight and I am walking on the straight, right? Meet. When the lockdown will open, I will meet my friends in my school. Three means, Mama, can you buy after the lockdown 3 candies? 3 is coming. Feed means, suppose I'm a baby. Pretend I'm a baby. Then Mama will feed me, right? Now need. Need means friends, I need you. There is a lot of ice cream. Need is Teeth means these are my teeth, and why do you know? Because I brush all day. This is the meaning of teeth. So it is seed. Seed means in my village I wanted to grow one tree that was mango tree. So do you know mango has one seed, right? That's why I throw the seed and I will grow the mango tree when I go to my village. Knee means these are my knees, right?
बस.
For it fit. Fit. Green. Green. The spring season come. All over there is greenery, right? Dip means the if I see pretend here is a well, okay. Then I said, Mother, the well is very deep, right? Dip is coming. So sleep. Sleep means in night we sleep, right? B. Tree. Tree means I told you no. If I wanted to grow tree, then I grow a mango tree. Sheep means if I said, Mama, we don't have pet animals. I like having pet animals. I want to purchase one sheep. Sheep is coming. So these elated words are finished now. Now it's time for our letter words. Fork means for Maggie, we use fork to eat. Corn means when rainy season come, then we can eat corns, right? And popcorn made of corns too. Storm means when the clouds are big, then the storm comes and it rains very heavily. Like that day W later was it, then the cyclone came, like that the rain comes. Horn means in a school bus, yellow bus, or any other kind of bus. In the steering there is horns, beep beep. And you know horn used for what? If the car comes on the road upside and we are here, suppose here is car and there is also car, then we use horn. Otherwise our car will crash. That's why we use horn. Short means I'm smaller than my mama. Born means at 12 June I born from my mama's stomach. north. In map we follow north. Turn. Torn means this is my cloth and my pretend here is torn means our clothes are tear. Sort. All colors are there: pearls, red, yellow, orange, green. That kind of pearls. That means sort. Means colorful pearls are here. Present like that. That means sort. Fort. Fort means castle called fort and house also called fort. Sport. In my school, there was one sport day. This is the last word now. Horse. And you know, friends, in this word, this is silent. Horse means if I'm tired to walk on the road then I sit on the horse and go to somewhere. Hi friends, today we will learn ER story. Now be ready and I hope you are fit and healthy. So let's start. When 1 came, then E makes sound A. But in the screen we can see 2 E, but they are not joined. But if they join, they make sound E. E. Correct. Now O makes sound A. Correct. And R makes sound R. But if they join, then it makes sound R. Next to the cornfield, there is one old donkey and so many sheep. Okay, and can you see one girl in the picture? Her name is Yoda. And can you see 2 boys in the picture? One boy name is Jakin and other boy name is Jin. The children always like to go to that farm. So one day they were going to the walk and they were going to that farm. And then donkey see them. And for seeing, the donkey became very pleased. And you know, friends, when donkey sees them, he for the greeting, he do his ear up and down and make a sound E-R. And you know, Noda, the girl, bring 1 carrot from him, the donkey, for the donkey. And do you see, down there is one rabbit. I think he must come to eat it. Whenever the children said, "Hi donkey," then the donkey says E-R and wiggle in his ears up and down. Then think that the children are saying, "How are you?" What you are saying, I don't understand. Say again. Then the donkey only says E-R. One day, Noda take 1 carrot for the donkey and tell, "Do you know, donkey, I bought you this carrot. I have cornfield and carrot. In my carrot field there are some carrots. Do you know that, friends?" And do you know, friends, Jakin and Chin saw that enormous clouds are coming, and from that clouds the drops are falling. Then to Noda, Jin and Jakin said, "Run away, Noda, let's go to the house because the raindrops are falling down." Then They were waving their hands and saying, "Bye bye, donkey. Bye bye. See you tomorrow." Then they gone to the home. Children run fast as hard they can and run quickly. In this story, we learn be sweet and don't hurt our pet animals. Like Noda. Like Noda bring one carrot for the donkey. This is the story of letter E-R. Now let's spot some E-R pictures. When double E comes, it makes sound E. E. When O makes sound A and R makes sound R. But if they join it makes sound R. Look, the children are making action of E-R. E-R. See the donkey in his stall. E-R, E-R is his call. See, the girl is bringing carrot for the donkey. Ship. In this word, E is coming, right? B. Fit. Torn. Fuck. Bees. Can you see so many bees? Look, enormous cloud. Now the rain is coming. It will begin soon, friends. Storm. Look, there are so many corns. You can buy it in the market. Thanks for watching my video.